Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this green and gold look for you. I saw this color combination somewhere and I saw it a really long time ago, but I loved it. I love how the lid has that green and gold shift to it and then paired with that green liner. I am obsessed. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Zodiac eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm going into is this light tan brown. I'm applying this shadow through my crease using my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush. I'm then picking that up on my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm going to start tapping that all over my lid. And then apply through the crease just to blend everything together. I'm now picking up the Sigma eyeshadow base primer in Radiance. I'm going to apply this really lightly, just the base of my lash line, and then a little bit on the lower part of my lid, just a really small amount. And then I'm going to take my finger and just buff that out. This is going to act as our base for the next shadow that I'm going to apply and make it more intense. I'm now picking up Aquarius. Now picking up this beautiful shadow on my finger, and it has a green to gold shift to it. And I'm going to apply this all over my lid, and then a little bit at the bottom of my crease to just blend that into that crease area. And then lightly with a really light hand, just buff through the crease. Now picking up Sagittarius. Okay, nothing can beat my E06, that's why I included it in my brush set. So I'm going to just outline my liner with that first, and then we can go back into the E65 to fill it in. So now we're going to fill in this wing liner, and then apply this and bring this towards the center of my lid, and then trying to keep this really thin on the inner part of my lash line. And then what I want to do, I'm going to lay the brush on its side, and then start lightly just buffing at the highest point of that liner to really just smoke this out. Now applying this on my lash line with my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to apply this halfway and then kind of diffuse that in and then buff that out. Now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Overdrive, I'm first going to tightline, and then I'm going to line my lower waterline. For my inner corner, I'm picking up this center highlight shade. So I just wiped off this F70 concealer brush by Sigma, and I'm applying this on my inner corner to highlight my inner corner, and look at how beautiful and bright that is. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Tati Lashes in TL19, and that's the eye look done. My lips are so pink and I just wiped it off. I tried the new Milani, I think it's the Rose Lip Balm, and I didn't realize that it leaves a pink tint, like a little sheer tint. It looks really pretty, but hopefully it won't mess with the lip combination I'm about to apply. So first for lips, I'm going to go into the lip pencil by NYX in Nude Beige. One of my favorite lip pencils, cannot live without this. So I'm going to line my lips first. And then I'm going to do a little bit of lip contour. So now for lipstick, I'm going to this MAC lipstick in Stripped. I'm not sure if this shade is still available, but if it's not, I'm going to find a shade similar to it that is available, and I'll link it down below. I'm going to apply the lipstick just in the center of my lips. Alright, I'm loving the lip combination so far, but I do want a little bit of gloss to really just tie in with the entire look. So I'm going to this Buxom, what are you, full on plumping lip polish in Charlie, and it is such a beautiful gloss. And that is it. This is a completed look of my green and gold smoky liner. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm obsessed with the color combination. I love the lid shadow and the green liner put together. I think they complement each other so nicely. But before we move on, I have to stop this right now and tell you guys that this gloss, the name is Full On Plumping Lip Polish, and it is full on plumping. My lips are so tingly right now. They feel cold. They feel like they're getting plump and juicy. I'm not mad about it. I can't wait to see what they look like in about a couple minutes. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, they'll be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with brushes and my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!